Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazala bamzitho, it's about uDominic Zaca. So guys, uDominic Zaca was live explaining why bekagcoke imvunulo on a gay pride day, guys, eJoburg. So explaining to why bekagcoke imvunulo, and she did admit to some of the things abantu bebazisho assume ukuthi vele ugcoke imvunulo to provoke ngizomchunu. So guys, let me just post the clip of that live, then I'll come back.
My lesbians that are here, people who are still questioning themselves, everyone that's here. Let me explain why I wore ibheshu. Yes, I was responding to Ungizwe. That was the main thing, right? So let's call it what it is. Let's not run away from it. I was responding to Ungizwe. But I need you to remember, when my ancestors were fighting, they were fighting wearing ibheshu. When they felt threatened, bebegqoka ibheshu and they would go and fight. When my ancestors had to declare something, bebefaka umvunulo, bebevunula, they would wear traditional clothing and go deal with the battle. Mabeyolwa impi ibiliwa kugqokwe umvunulo. Even mangabe sidlala yabolo induku, makudlalwa induku. That's a umvunulo, and you go out there and you make your statement. That's what I know my culture to be. I could be wrong, and I'm very okay with being taught. If I'm wrong, someone can come and teach me and say, no, Dominic, you're wrong. But that's my understanding, right? Whether you're fighting a battle because we are bonga, ekaya, ulwana, a battle is anything. Oh, a battle is different for all of us. I find my battle was someone that was telling me that I don't belong. My battle was someone was telling me that I should not be umzulu. My battle was a man that was telling me that I should not be. I should not be anything. Melengibe, a thing that does not have culture, that doesn't have ancestors, that doesn't have an ancestral bloodline. And unfortunately, whether you want to scream, whether you want to cry, whether you want to lay your life on the line, whether you want to go and hold Ngizwe and suck him on the face, it does not change the fact that I am a Zulu person, and therefore I will wear and adorn myself in traditional regalia. I've never worn ibheshu in my life. I am 32 years of age. I have never once worn ibheshu, but it felt that it was time. It was time that I reminded my bully to say, hey, I am gay, I am Zulu, and I am proud of who I am. And I walked out. And when I walked, guys, what y'all saw in that video is nothing. I think there's about 4 videos of me wearing ibheshu that are trending. Those videos don't tell you what happened. There was maybe 10,000 people, and I was walking. I need you to close your eyes and imagine it, because maybe you can't visualize it if you're not there. Think about 10,000 people. I don't know how many, a lot of them. Think about all of them in one street, and I'm in the middle. I was the only person that was in full traditional regalia that I saw. There could be someone else, I didn't see them. And I walked through the street. It was about 2 kilometers of walking, if not 3. I walked on top. People were screaming from the bottom right on top, because why? As gay people, we understood what was happening. As lesbians, we understood what was happening. As trans people, we knew what was happening. As people who were smart enough that were at Pride, we knew what I was declaring. When I walked through the streets, I didn't walk through the streets. Yes, they're threatening to kill me. It's okay. They must go. Yes, I'm getting messages left, right, and center being told how they're going to unalive me. That's okay. And I've always said this ever since I started being here. If my life must end so that another queer person's life must be better, I'm ready for that. My blood can run through the streets of South Africa. I am okay with that. But I can guarantee you, another gay person that's going to come behind me is going to have a softer life. Is going to have a better life. Is going to live a better life because of the struggles that I did. I didn't wear that beshu because I was bored. I could have worn any designer on planet Earth. I decided to wear that because it was protest. So if you are upset, Stando Sami, if you are sitting here and you're watching and you're disgusted by the fact that I was wearing a beshu, Tan, uzoba strong. Uzoba strong, baby. There's nothing you're going to do about it. Gay people have culture. Xhosa people watched a doctor wear their culture, and they are proud. All the Xhosa women and all the Xhosa men are so excited. I think Dr. Rainbow, ne? Oh, Dr. Rainbow is being celebrated by all the Xhosa people. All of them. They are celebrating him. Them. I want to use the word them. They are celebrating them. My Zulu people have started a whole page on Facebook on how I should be unalived. Go to Facebook, baby. They are discussing how and when I should be unalived. My Zulu people. But you are proud of your culture. I displayed your culture. It's on TV. Your culture is in newspapers. Your culture is everywhere. I displayed it. Instead of being proud. I am as stubborn as you guys. Ningasitshela ukuthi you're Zulu men and women and you're the only ones who are stubborn. I am as stubborn as you. I am also Zulu. You are not the only Zulu person. Lenkani onayo, nami nayo. Ungathi fuseki, ungathi banibani akushintshe lutho, ibheshu sazowagqoka. And you know what? I encourage all the gay people that are on this live. If you have money, if you have coin, please find umama wesintu, odayisa into zesintu. Don't go to a big company. Go to a mother. Thola umama wenza into zesintu, uhamba ukhipha imali yakho as a gay person and go buy. Sell out amabheshu. Athengeni onke. And the one thing I know, gay people have money. Hambani nowathenga onke ke ngoba benjalo nje babela, they can't even fund anything. They can't abakwazi nokukondla izingane, abakwazi nokusiza izingane, abakwazi nokuthi bathathe izingane bazisesikoleni, bakwazi ukuhlanganyela ukuthi akubulawa uDominic ngibulaleni. My legacy will live even after I'm dead and gone. Then uzaca niyowazi noma sengifile noma ngangibulala nginendaba. My gays, my lesbians, it is time to take your pockets and make the loudest statement. Even if you don't. Legacy, yes, what do you think I'm doing this?
That is uDominic Zaca explaining ukuthi why agcoka imvunulo uthi vele ngesintu dala his ancestors or her ancestors bebagcoka imvunulo makuyempini, so she felt as if njengoba ama-gay that time they were attacked. Yes, I do feel like they were attacked, and I reason like they were attacked or they are always attacked. Vele manje basempini, I get that, but I feel like the timing it was very bad. I don't know, and I don't know, and I don't understand why abantu ke sebenza amaqhega abamenza ukuthi bazomsusa emhlabeni, which is very wrong, guys. Abantu bahlala bayenza amaphutha, sihlala ama-rapists eSouth Africa, sihlala abantu ababulala eSouth Africa, but I've never heard nina nithi nizosusa labo bantu emhlabeni just because umuntu ugcoka imvunulo. I do believe ukuthi uDominic umuntu, even though I've seen and I understand him or her as umuntu onenkani, umuntu onenkani, and ufuna ukuzwakala, which is bakhona abantu abanjalo. Nayo ngizwe mchunu njalo. I don't agree with what Dominic did now, but I feel like why they are doing it wrong, and I don't feel like I know why they are doing it wrong, guys. You saying makasuswe emhlabeni, makalimazwe, why? Because usho nje uthi makalimazwe makasuswe emhlabeni endaweni yangakini. Zonke amakasi or zonke indawo, we do know ukuthi usibani bani isigebengu ngidala abamba abantu unkunzi. We do know ukuthi ubani bani ukowasusa bani emhlabeni. Siyazi ukuthi ubani bani thoko grape abantu, but unamandla ukuthi wena ususa umuntu ephila impilo yakhe wenza amaphutha ongabe uyamcorrecta ngendlela right, and bekaphendula ungizo wena so ungena because you are not ungizo mqondo. So manje wena so feel ukuthi ngcono ubhale kuma socials or umsendele ama message and even create a page, because uthi there's a Facebook page that is created ukuthi ba plan ukuthi bayimsusa kanjani emhlabeni. Guys, you have any to do wrong things, and every day ngivele ngibe disappointed ukuthi why ngumZulu. Vele ngifeel pain ukuthi guys, it seems like as nashilo there was a Xhosa doctor Xhosa, abantu bebagcokile impahla zabo. You'll never hear ama-Xhosa or amapedi or amatsonga, ama-vendor against LGBTQ what community. It's mostly amazulu. Most of the time amazulu. I don't understand why you are doing that, and KZN in a crime, and KZN every time kunomntwana okurapiwe. Niyathula but bakenza lezo zinto lezo. You are focusing on igender yomuntu ofuna ukutshintsha igender yakhe nomuntu ofuna ukuphila impilo yakhe ngendlela afuna ukuyiphila ngayo. No, ofeature akalimazi umuntu akasukeli umuntu uziphilela nje impilo yakhe, azigcoka amaroko wakhe awathenga ngemali yakhe. If ufuna ukugcoka njengabafana intombazana azigcoka njengabafana, if ufuna ukuthandana nomunye umfana or ufuna ukuthandana nentombazana nje umuntu wesemgender yakhe, umzimba wakhe upho uNkulunkulu mahala. wena you feel as if wena you wanna be God, but izinto ezisirious ezenzeka endaweni yakini zakuhlula. Yes, angivumelani. I just felt like uDominic akanakuthula namagcoka imvunulo just because into kangizo into eceda ukwenza manje, and even though i-man of approach angizo be wrong, but ngi-understandile more especially senzo usomizimasa espiritu nongizoba kalula ukuthi leya mvunulo yamakhosi, and I've seen abanye abantu basho ukuthi leyo Dominic bayigcoka manje akusiyamakhosi, of which there's nothing wrong, but le eniyenzayo manje it's wrong, guys. It is wrong. It is so totally wrong. And I think uDominic lento ukuthi acoshisa abantu emsebenzini ayenze now that page needs to be reported, abantu baboshwe, then uzobona ukuthi le data lamahala or mawubambe i-Wi-Fi ebhadalwa kini engayibhadali wena bakumele ucontribute ukuyibhadala uqudule umlomo. That Wi-Fi is for you to Google and search into ezisirious, not ukuthi uyenze ubhekane or create participate in something that you won't benefit you for good but it benefit you for worse, because maso uhlele ejele you won't enjoy. Ungaboni iminister ethi they are spending 13,000 per prisoner a year, a month, then you think that 13,000 they'll give you cash. You'll understand 13,000 is nothing maso uhlele a prison. Because I really don't know why I really don't understand. But give us a long you can comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngilithanda ukuya nokubuya.